Hi students, welcome back once again. Today we are going to see one of the discourses, discourse writing. It is also called creative writing. In discourse writing, let us see today notice writing. Students, in every schools and colleges, organizations, headmasters, secretary, principal has to write a notice towards different celebrations, right? And suppose you are asked, imagine that you are headmaster or principal or secretary or whatever may be, and prepare a notice towards the occasion, then what will you do? That is a pre-training, pre-information and pre-learning. It is called precaution is better than cure. That's why now you have to learn how to write a notice, how to prepare a notice. You hear one question is given to you. Imagine that you are headmaster of the school. It is time to celebrate Independence Day. You want to conduct a quiz competition. Prepare a notice asking the interested students to enroll their names by consulting PT of your school. Right, this is the question. Once see the question, students. Read carefully and understand it. Reading and understanding is important. Okay? In this particular, you are headmaster, one thing. Second thing, you are celebrating Independence Day. Third is, you are going to conduct quiz competition. And fourth point, you are asking the students to enroll their names, write their names with the PT of your school. 4 points are considered here. Okay, right? Now, then based on this question, how are you going to prepare a notice? Right? One more thing, students. While preparing notice, let us see the structure at first. Structure of notice writing. There are different ways to prepare a notice, but here this is a considered notice which is used by the many teachers or CC model which gives more marks to you. Suppose this is my page. This is my page. On the top of the page and middle of the page, and top of and middle of the page, you have to write here name of the organization, name of the organization, name of the school or college. You are writing here Pragna High School. Better to write in capital letters. Pragna High School. Okay? Armour. Right. Next you are going to write date. On which date you are writing? Date. Right? This side. What is date? Today. Mention any date. Okay? Then next the word notice, it should be bigger than this one, right? Word notice should be somewhat bold, attractive, eye catching. That's why it should be bigger than that and center of the particular. It should look neat and tidy. It should look neat and tidy. And it should be at the center of the heading. Okay? Notice. The word notice should be written. Okay. Write begin size. It should look neat and tidy, attractive, give finishing touch. Notice. After that, you have to mention heading. What is the heading? Heading దేని గురించి? Incident. What is your Independence Day celebrations? What is your Independence Day celebrations? Independence Day celebrations. You can write capital letters or small letters, left to you. Right. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Compulsory it should be in your mind. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it? Right. Now you have to start body of the letter. Body of the letter lo em rastaru meeru? What are you going to write in body of the letter or body of the notice? You are going to mention that you are going to conduct quiz competition and you are asking all the students who are interested to write their names or give their names or enroll their names with the PT of your school on or before a date mention cheyali. On which date the competition going to be held, on which day they have to submit their names, list of their names to the PET. You have to mention clearly. Okay students, right. Then how to start the notice? Beginning. You can start here. Let us start in another way. All the students of high school all the students of high school means 5th to 10th or 6th to 10th, whatever may be, are hereby informed that the management has decided to conduct quiz competition towards Independence Day celebrations. Independence Day. Interested students are suggested or informed, suggested or informed to enroll their names with the PET on or before students. Now let me know, you will celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August of every year, okay, right? You are going to conduct competition, then will you mention the date after 15th August or before 15th August? Very good, before 15th August. But at least how many days before will you? Definitely one day, or take in advance in your hand. What is here? Before, you can write here 12th or 13th maybe, because you have to practice again. Then give much more time, before 11th, before 11th August. Right. Clear? What is the event? Independence celebrations, clearly mentioned. Who is informing? Not mentioned yet. అది ఎట్లా చెప్తా ఇప్పుడు నేను. Right. What are the informed? Quiz competition. When they have to celebrate? 15th August. When they have to submit their names to the PET? On or before 11th August. Clear students? ఇక్కడ clear information ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. Right. Now let us see who is issuing this notice. Who is issuing the notice? Sir, chalk please. Who is issuing the notice? Right. Let us see. Then you have to write properly and clearly. Then I will dust this board to adjust my work. Okay students, దీని కిందని మీరు రాయాలి. ఇట్లా నేను చెప్తాను నేను. Right, after the matter is over, you have already written here. Then you can write this side or that side, no problem. మీరు ఎక్కడైనా రాయొచ్చు, ఈ సైడ్ రాయొచ్చు కానీ ఆ సైడ్ రాయొచ్చు. ఏం రాయొచ్చు? వాట్ యు రైట్ హియర్? డోంట్ రైట్ యువర్ faithfully friendly, నథింగ్, నో సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్. ఓకే, ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు? డైరెక్ట్ రైట్ హియర్ సిగ్నేచర్. Signature, SD means signature. Right, whose signature is it? Write the name of the, right, you can write directly headmaster, okay. Headmaster of which school? Right, Pragna IIT High School or Pragna High School. Right. Instead of again, you can add one more condition, no problem here. You can write here SD, and then write the name of the principal. Name of the principal you can write here. Name of a principal or headmaster. ఇక్కడ పేరు రాయాలి. Don't write this one. Write the name of the headmaster. And next is position. Signature, name of the headmaster, and the position, and from which institution. These are four should be mentioned clearly at the end of the notice. Clear students? It is called minor discourse notice writing for 6th, 7th, 8th students ki for 12 marks. Okay? Or lower classes till 8th class to below will be given for 12 marks minor discourse. Okay students? I hope you understood how to write a notice. Let us in the next period another discourse. Till that, have a nice day.